Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Craft Divas. So today what we're going to be doing is everybody wants to make the nameplates, the earrings and things. So I see bamboo earrings a lot. They're basically done just like you would do the bracelet, keychains and all. So we're going to do another method today. We're going to make the hanging earrings. So this is like the version of what I was doing. So what I did was take go to your text. This is Silhouette Studio Business Edition. Go to text. We're gonna go to craft. Type in craft, and I'm gonna make it. You don't have to make it capitalized. Up to you. Now, let's say we want to use this. Right. Then you can let's see how long I want it to be. I'll probably make it a little shorter. And I think I would change my font. So I'm gonna go over here to change my font. Now, one or two ways. No, wrong one. One or two ways to do this. You can do it individually like this. You can bring down your line spacing some. So your characters are more closer. Why they acting like they ain't want to move? Oh. So your characters are more closer together. Mm-mm. But still with this, because they're not connected, you're still going to have to put them on it individually. Now you can do it like this. So let's just go ahead and work with this for right now. So let's say we were using this. Alright, we was using this. Let's give this some color. Okay, this is going to be our name. Come on. Alright, this is what we're using. Now, we have to figure out how to make it into earring form. I think I want to make it a little thicker. So, what you can do is go to your offset panel, click on that, and you need an offset for this. Okay? And then go ahead and put some color to your offset. So now that way, you have that. Here you go. And then go over here to your shapes, and you want to get this little tool right here. And just make a little circle. Oh, want one bigger than that. Go back up here. And you want to put it on here. So, with your circle highlighted, hold down Control and click on your offset. And you want to go to your modify panel and you want to weld that together. You'll see in just a second why. Is that connected? I don't even think. I think it clicked off of it. Alright, I'm going to take that off again. I'm just highlight and I'm going to weld that together. Why this wants to act crazy today? Come on. Okay, there you go. So now this is one piece. And I'll make sure I bring this to the front. So you can have your earring this way. You can even make this into a necklace, or you can put it on both sides to make it into a neck. But you can put some beads, some hoops. You can put another part down here to make some beads. and you can put a hoop, your jump ring, your hoop in here, and you can turn this into a necklace. I mean, an earring. So that's one way you can do your earring. This is the other way you can do your earring, which is going and type in same thing, but we're going to go down. So type in craft, enter. So you just put an enter after everything. And definitely, I want to bring the line spacing so that can be closer together. But if I did something like this, that's cursive, they're touching in a way, so you can get it to print out. So you can do it as a cut and print. But if you don't want to mess with cut and prints at all, then what you can do is you can do them individually. And either one method is fine. Don't let anybody ever tell you that you know you have to do printed cuts because you don't have to if you're working with one solid color. Um, I'm not gonna do that font. Let me find another font. What in the world is that? That's a little crazy looking one. Oh, you know what? I think I saw the one that I like. Alright, so still, if I want this to be a little shorter, I can. A little thicker. Alright, so let's say that we're working with this. Alright, and then I still need an offset so I can be able to have something to attach, something solid to attach to. So I'm gonna go back over here, go to offset, and do yellow. But I still need this little gadget right here so it can hang. So put that on there. Oh, wrong one. I'm going to take this over, highlight those, and we're going to weld that together. Make sure I bring this to the front. And boom. There you go. Now the other way people was doing it was they were going, let's say, oh, craft, and gotta click off here, gotta click back on. They were finding ones that touch. Well, you can do print to cut method also if you want. Or you can find another cursive one like this that's touching. That way it can cut around it. So if I went there with this, I would do cut edge. So it'll cut the edge and not every piece, you know. So that's an option as well. But I like this way. And even though you gotta lay it, I mean, you can get them closer together and you can just do one cut edge. Um, but I did mines like this, and I didn't have a problem putting it on there. Like I said, if I wanted to do this where it's a little closer and touching, it's more of a print to cut when you do it like that. Um, Like, it doesn't look good, like, you know. So this is better. I think I need to go out a little bit more. Oh no. Ouch. So those are different ways you can do this. And then you can just take and duplicate this, and you have two earrings there. You can, and of course, when you cut them out and glue them, you want at least, I'd say, about maybe three of the top and probably like four of the bottoms, to be able to make sure it's nice and sturdy. I would say a minimum, you know, anything more than, you know, six to eight of these, and I still wouldn't do probably, but unless you're doing different colors, you can do like 3Ds and dark pink three and a light pink color and then the yellow. I've seen people do that too, but I wouldn't do no more than five or six of these and no more than eight of these. You don't want no super. I mean, how sturdy do you want it? You could do, you know, four of these and two of these, and it's still a good sturdy. And you're gonna put epoxy on it anyways, or something to hold it into place and to give it that shine and all too. So, some people just put Mod Podge on it. That's perfectly fine. You can do that as well. Put Mod Podge on it, and you can actually spray it with some acrylic spray, and that works as well. So it just depends on how you want to do it. But this just was a quick tutorial to show you guys, and I hope you like it and have a great day. Thank you.